Hello, my name is Omar Osvaldo Larte. Today I am come to the youth album an excellent experience. I am on the beach of the Santa Marta 3 years ago. It was in the Rodadero, a very tourist place in the department of Magdalena. The most curious, they dine seat to when my the salinity of the water. I was with my classmate. I saw the mother classmate. I saw the mother of my classmate. I had enjoyed to treat the experience as fanatics my beats in my new place. Why am the new light was the priest on the never cheers is with my friends. I have seen they see some clip. I feel relaxed. Um, I have been to beach like Necoclin, but going to Santa Marta in the beds I had I have feeling free and happy. I would like to rest the experience. Until next time. Thank you so much.